Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tecno. In this I'm going to do the 3 times continuously and benchmark test in between these both phones, iQOO sound device was a Realme X8 Max device by using monster mode and by using high performance mode. And this exact request which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video, and this test I am trying to do after the Android 12 update between these both phones. So both phones right now running the Android 12, so we should definitely know friends, and let's see what will be the overall Android benchmark test we can actually get between these both smartphones. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate, and all the apps are completely clear from the background. And let's enable the monster mode here. I wish the Realme could have included some kind of high performance mode in the notification toggle. That will be really very great to access this instant response, because there is a GT mode there's a notification toggle, but for high performance mode there is no notification toggle. That's kind of really weird, but still just a suggestion, Realme. So right now high performance mode and the monster mode is turned on. That's completely checked. And next thing is to calibrate the both phones regarding the display brightness while doing this kind of benchmark test. So right now I'll try to let me go to the battery display settings. So is the display settings, and recently I did buy this display meter, so which I'll try to exactly adjust same brightness levels between these both phones regarding the brightness, how much I want to put. Let's see. And right now let me to increase brightness. Maybe let's keep it on 200. I'll try to manage exactly kind of 200, and then I'll be back again. So right now friends, I did manage exactly 200 nits between these both phones. You can see slightly kind of 201 here and there, nothing much huge difference. So 201 and 202, same kind of brightness I did keep between these both phones. That's perfectly all right. Now let me to open the benchmark and benchmark application. As you can see friends, right now the both phones did start the benchmark test exactly, and we're gonna see which phone will be having what kind of results. So 3 times continuously I'll be doing the test, and 3 times I'll try to take the screenshot exactly after the benchmark test has been finished. In this way we'll be able to get to know exactly what's going on after the Android 12 update damaged to 1200 chipset versus Snapdragon 870. Again I'll be back after some time just to check what's going on with the temperatures. In percentage, and the Realme X8 Max did score about 6,89,000. I'll tell to take the screenshot, and iQOO sound device did score about 7,15,000. And right now I'll try to check the temperatures, what's happening. 33.8 degrees Celsius and 36.2, 34.2 as well. And let's start the test again. And the battery percentage dropped to 96% and 96% because both phones I did charge exactly 100%. This is the second round of testing which I'm trying to do, and after this we'll try to observe how much benchmarks can be decreased between these both phones. And temperatures, you can see what's going on. So this complete test is done using with the high performance mode and using with the monster mode clearly between these both phones. I can be back after some time. And this is the benchmark score which we got here, and the Realme X8 Max surprisingly did increase friends in the Realme X8 Max. Even I'm really shocked. As you can, 6,95,000 we got. And let me to start doing the test again. So let's see, the second time the battery dropped to 92% and 91% in the Realme X8 Max device. That's pretty good. And regarding the temperatures, you can see 34.6 and 36.4. Only 2 degrees difference is there between these two devices. Not bad. It's pretty good. So 36.2. And let's see friends what will happen after the third type of benchmark test. So now we'll be able to get to know exactly 3 times continuously during the benchmark test. So what's gonna be the results? Again I'll be back after some time after finishing this third time. Friends, we got the benchmark test results in the Realme X8 Max device. You can see which the phone did score about 6,95,000 in the device, and in the iQOO sound device the phone did score about 7,12,000, which is pretty huge when compared with the Realme X8 Max. But you need to take care about the CPU and the GPU scores especially, and the battery dropped to 87% and dropped to 86% after doing 3 times of benchmark tests continuously between these both phones. Not bad. So which is pretty good, as you can clearly see friends. So before it used to drain a lot in the Realme X8 Max device, but right now it's not draining much friends in the Realme X8 Max. If you try to look at the overall draining, it's really good, because before it used to drain up to 10% for one time doing an benchmark test after Realme UI 3.0 update. But right now it's not draining that much. And right now let me show you the screenshot which are taken between these both phones exactly. all the screenshot. Yes. So this is screenshot number 1, test number 1. You can see the scores: 7,15,000, 6,89,000, and that's kind of CPU scores. GPU scores, you can see GPU is pretty high and CPU is high in the iQOO 7 device. Temperatures 32.7 and 34.3, 2 degrees higher. Battery dropped by 4 and 3. And test number 2, it dropped by 2000, kind of close to maybe 2000, somewhere around that in the iQOO 7 device. Nothing much dropped. In the Realme X8 Max, it increased from 6,89,000 to 6,95,000. That's a kind of really weird thing. And the GPU increased to 243. So when compared with the 239 and 179, the CPU remains to be lower in the Realme X8 Max device. That's something you should know. And battery dropped this time by 5%, not degrees. So you can see temperatures also increased slightly, kind of a little bit kind of high again. So, and the test number 3, this is the final test between these both phones, and you can see the scores: 6,95,000, 6,95,000. That's very close friends. And the iQOO 7 device from 7,13,000 decreased to 7,12,000. Little bit kind of decrease, not a huge. And 190, 239, 191, 239. CPU got slightly decreased, and here 171, 179, 243, 178, 241. Sorry, see 180 and 243 and 179 and 243. You can see, friends, clearly it increased. So this is a quick comparison, friends, between these both phones regarding the under benchmark test 3 times, and this is the final score. And the Realme X8 Max, shockingly, the score got increased when compared with the score test 1, and iQOO 7 device, the score decreased around maybe 3,000 from 7,15,000 to 7,12,000. So 3,000 got decreased in the iQOO 7 device. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until next time, for more updates, and bye.